Hi everyone, I'm Ansaf Azhar, Director of Public Health for Oxfordshire, and today I want to talk about this year's Director of Public Health Annual Report. In my last year's report, we talked about the risk of increasing prevalence of physical inactivity and excess weight, and how it is linked not just to individual choice, but also socioeconomic factors and, more importantly, environmental factors. You see, our environment has a big impact on the health and well-being of our residents. That is why in this year's report, I want to talk about the link between climate and health. For too long, we have looked at climate and health in their individual silos, when in reality, they are very much interrelated. The adverse impacts of a deteriorating climate on our health and well-being of our residents is immediate, and it's felt right now. And this is particularly true in our most vulnerable and disadvantaged communities. The recent flooding in Oxfordshire brought this into sharp focus, where the loss of livelihood and the mental health impact was totally unprecedented. Unfortunately, these type of events are going to be more common going forward. Similarly, the positive actions that we take to improve our climate also immediately improves our health and well-being. This is true when it comes to health benefits related to improving air quality, active travel, access to green spaces, and relying on sustainable food sources, all of which can help to reduce the risk of long-term conditions like cardiovascular disease and cancer, as well as improving our mental health. Therefore, we need to act now, not just to improve the climate and the environment, but also to protect the health and well-being of ours and our neighbours and our loved ones. This is particularly important given the NHS and our health system at a particular strain and under pressure at the moment. The climate emergency is right here, and it's remains to be one of the most significant threats to our population, both locally and globally. And we need to act now. However, this is not the responsibility of individual organizations. Everyone and every organization has a role to play. But the responsibility to do this requires a real structural change and system-wide actions. However, I believe Oxfordshire has the potential to be a national exemplar in this space. There are some great work that's happening through Oxfordshire County Council, the districts and cities, and wider community partners are doing excellent work to mitigate and adapt to the changing climate. I think we can push this even further and really make a difference to the health and well-being and the environment. I hope the report inspires individuals, organizations and communities to come together and join this exciting journey to make Oxfordshire a healthy place for all of us. Thank you.